Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing the first ever model unboxing on this YouTube channel. It is the Aeroclassics Frontier Airlines Airbus A320NEO in the Flower the Hummingbird livery. Anyways, I pre-ordered this from the RM model store, and there were like 4 of them left, and I really needed them for the model airport I'm doing in the future. So I got this for a very good price, and here we are. And if you want to, please do check out our models. The link will be in the description. Alright, without further ado, let us get into this unboxing of this Frontier A320NEO. Alright, here's the box, and here we are. Let's get this. And here it is. Here it is. Frontier Airlines Airbus A320NEO in the Hummingbird livery. This is the box design. It says, this is the presentation. I really like the presentation. It's really good. So it says baby bus models. Here's the Frontier model inside. A new range from Aeroclassics, 1 to 400 scale. On the side, it says A321. That's for all Airbus A320 variants. Another A319, A320. So here it is. This is on the side. A319, A320, A321. Of course, it says A320, Frontier A320W, November 318 FR, or Foxtrot Romeo. On the back, it says Aeroclassics represents this exciting new range, baby bus models. And yeah, now without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, just opening the box, then do it. And let's take it out of the tray. And here it is, my friends. Here it is. The Frontier Airlines Airbus A320NEO. November 318 FR. And this is what it looks like. It's super cool. Super cool. I'm a huge fan. Let's set that on the ground. And here we are. The Frontier A320NEO. Alright, so this is my first impressions. It's really cool. I really like what it provides. Yeah, and I found this for a really good deal that, I'd be sad I didn't miss out on. Yeah, it looks really cool. I'm really happy. Yeah. There it is. Yeah, with this model right here, it looks amazing, alright? After this, I'm gonna come with a model review, and then, yeah, we're just gonna, do details of the aircraft. Then after like a few days, I'll do a model review. Anyways, alright, now we're going to do a model review of the aircraft. So we're gonna start. This is the cockpit windows, windshield wipers, nose cone, Flower the Hummingbird livery. I honestly don't know what these are. This is the L1 door. Then when we move, this is the Frontier branding. Here we have the engine. It's not as big as the Gemini jets, which actually, scrapes the ground, which is actually one of the reasons why I got this model. Then we have the emergency exits, the wing, flyfrontier.com, November 318 Foxtrot Romeo, United States flag, the L2 door, and that's the hummingbird on the tail. This is the horizontal stabilizer, and on the side that's the elevator. Okay. Then we have the landing gear, the front landing gear. And then we have the sharklets with the flower of the hummingbird on it. These three are the gliders. This is the wing. That's the right wing, and this is the left wing. Alright, on the top, we have that little light. No antennas. That's one unfortunate thing. That's one unfortunate thing about the model. There's the APU at the end. Then on the bottom, we have front gear with the doors. There's the cargo door on the right side. The landing gear with its openers, stand, cargo door on the right side. R2 door, same registration, same logo, same everything on this side. Also has the R1 door and the R2 door. Come on, please focus. Alright. Yeah, there it is. R1 door, R2 door, pretty much the same stuff except that cargo door. And yeah, that's basically what the model, delivers. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about what I like and what I do not like about this model. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about what I like. What I like is this engine. I really appreciate that it doesn't, scrape the ground. It actually, rolls nicely. The Gemini Jet's Frontier A320NEO, it literally is so big that it scrapes the ground. I really didn't like that model, in my opinion. But Aeroclassics, they did a really good job. Next one, the presentation. It's a nice presentation, nothing really as bad, but it does not compare to the NG models' presentations. The effort that NG puts in their models and their presentations, it's amazing. And presentations, they are important. Presentations are important because it at least gives you that thought that this model is going to be amazing. It's a pretty good presentation. The Gemini Jet's presentation, that one's decent. It's pretty much the same thing. But yeah, I really like this presentation from Aeroclassics. Next one, the mold. As I said from the engine, it's really cool. I think it's good. I think it's a really good A320NEO. And I really wanted to use this for my New Orleans International Airport that I'm actually building in the future. So yeah, it's gonna be amazing. But anyways, I really like the mold. The only thing that's missing, there are a few antennas on the Frontier A320NEO. Sadly, it doesn't look like that Aeroclassics got that. But they did have that beacon light on the top, which is something that they actually did. Yep, it's also really good. The next point is really good. It's pretty good detail. Just looking at it, this camera doesn't do it justice, but like just looking at it, I think it's a really good model. Yeah, there's one thing I do have to complain. When you look at the back, I don't know if you can see this on camera, but the left wing looks a little bit more flexed up than the right wing. Why is that? I honestly have no idea. It's just me being petty, but it's not really a big deal. It's hardly noticeable. It's only when you look either from the front or the back. So, yeah. And the color is also something that I really like. The colors, they're actually realistic. The Gemini Jets one, I kind of feel that the Gemini Jets one is more saturated. The Gemini Jets is more saturated. It looks more like more of a, I don't know how to explain it, more like a lighter green. But in real life, I think this is the actual green that Frontier actually uses, and it also looks super punchy and sharp on this side. And also another thing that I really like about Aeroclassics is that they have multiple liveries. Gemini Jets, from what I know, don't quote me on this, I believe they have 1 or 2 liveries, and one of them I know is Champ the Bronco. But Aeroclassics, they had like so many liveries, alright? I really loved them. And like there was only like 3 models left when I was looking to buy this model. November 309 FR and November something else. But I decided to go for this one. Yeah, but Aeroclassics, they do sell a lot of these liveries. But sadly, almost all of them, I think all of them are gone. Like, from the time I'm filming this. So yeah, it's really cool. I really like, I was really super hyped for this model. I got this on Saturday. The retailer shipped to me on Saturday, and then I actually received it just now, like a few minutes before I was filming this video. So yeah, I do really appreciate this detail, and I'm super excited to, have this in my collection, and I really hope to, continue my collection on and on. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I like. All right, here are a few stuff that I don't like, and this is kind of a little bit petty. It's not really noticeable, should I say? One thing I do not like is these gliders, alright? There's 3, alright? There's one that's supposed to be in the middle of this one and this one. This is on all A320 variants, the A319 and the A320. They have like one of these sticking out. The A321, they have like, I believe, so many smaller ones right here. So that I found that detail to be missing. Alright, something I wanted to point out on the A320NEO is that I don't like is the landing gear is a little bit crooked along with that. So add that to the list of things that I don't like. But other than that, this model is amazing. Next one, the antennas. Frontier, they're missing the antennas. All right, that's like the one of the gripes that I had. Well, that's kind of noticeable, but yeah, that's something I don't like. And the next thing I don't like, I already mentioned it, is this little bent wing. It's a little bit bent, but it's not really a big deal. These things, they're not really a big deal to me when you think about it. But yeah, this model was amazing. All right, I really enjoyed unboxing this and showing you guys on YouTube about this, and I can't wait to start doing my second airport. My first airport, which is Coimbatore. I already finished that airport. I'll put a link to the description for that video if you'd like to check it out. I'm still trying to, find some models for that airport. So yeah, the Air India, Indigo, things like that. Air India, Indigo, Air India Express, Alliance Air, SpiceJet. Yeah, those airlines. So yeah, but this is gonna be a good addition. So anyways, yeah, that is it for this model review. Alright, you guys, that sums up the model unboxing and model review. Thank you guys so much, and I mean so much, for watching this video. Alright, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and also enabling that notification bell. I really want to work towards 300 subscribers by the end of the year and 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. So if you could get me there, that would be phenomenal. Alright, that would be super phenomenal. Yeah, I'm really sorry for the lack of uploads. School has been pretty stressing for me. I've been staying up super late doing homework, and I also haven't had time to, do videos. Alright? Anyways, please do also leave a comment down below on what I can improve. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.